Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to discuss about marketing funnel. It is very important to understand about your business marketing funnel. This is a complete playlist of Google e-commerce business with Google Ads. Hi, my name is Amin. I'm a senior Google Ad specialist working last 4 years about Google Ads. I have generated millions dollar of sales using Google Ads. So let's go to the discuss. What is the marketing funnel? So here you can see awareness. Awareness stage is broad. Then comparatively interest stage is narrow. Then also narrow is consideration, intent, evaluation and purchase. So understand 1000 people on the awareness stage, must be 500 people have interest, so that's why that's a narrow. Then consideration part, also consideration will be 300, and in the intent stage you will found 200 people, and evaluation part you will get 150 people, and finally purchase will be 50 people or 100 people. So this is the marketing stage, this is the marketing funnel. So hopefully you understand the basic theory, basic learning of the marketing funnel. Now I am going to discuss marketing funnel for e-commerce businesses. Let's go. Here you can see, I just write a name, marketing funnel for e-commerce business. So finally here you can see, I just use the font. Okay, now you can understand. Finally visitors land on your website. Visit your website, then they will view your product. After viewing your product, they have interest or not. Then people have interest, then they will add to cart your product, and if they have a no interest, leave side, then we can do a retarget ad. Okay, we will discuss retarget ad in details. Then product purchase, add to cart, and finally product purchase and post purchase email. So this is the basic funnel of Google Ads for your businesses. Okay, so now I'm going to visit my I'm showing in practically. I'm visit my website first of all. Okay, and understand how marketing funnel is working. So I just uses my sheet. Okay, this is our website, Essential Cloth Store. So site is loading now. Okay, first of all I have visited your website, this website, and I have this product interest, and I just view this product. So first of all I just, here you can see this is our landing page. Okay, I just visit landing page, this website. Okay, people will visit this URL first, I just try to write marketing funnel or customer journey. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, I just note down customer journey. Okay, customer journey. So first of all, people will visit this website. Please wait a moment. This is a complete live recording part, so you should be patient if you want to learn in details. Okay, customer journey, first step. Then second step, people show our product. So I have a interest in hoodie. I just select on the hoodie part. Okay, so site is still loading, so I'm visiting this part. Okay, this is our second part of marketing funnel. Okay, then I have choose this hoodie. I like this, so I'm view the product. So this will be third step. Then I will select a size, choose on cream color and add to basket. So I'm going to view basket and I'm going to check out option. Okay, so people will, the next part will be check out. This will be fourth step. And we need to use and deliver a different address or not payment method. So here you can see direct payment method, people will payment and then people will payment and then we can purchase, and our fourth step will be purchase. So in the meantime, you understand first, second, third, fourth, fifth is a marketing funnel of our businesses. So we will implement this marketing funnel very professionally and carefully, that you can understand everything. So thank you so much for understanding this video. If you understand marketing funnel, that will be helpful to do a marketing, because marketing funnel is so important. Thank you so much for watching this video.